Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine in the era of the pandemic. So, students, today I am going to discuss a new topic with you, that is nutrition in amoeba. Dear, nutrition in amoeba, firstly, that is a unicellular organism. Unicellular organism that feeds on the microscopic plants and animals which floats on the water where it lives. And its mode of nutrition is holozoic. Why its mode of nutrition is holozoic? Because it has no digestive tract. Simply. And the process by which it obtains a food, that is called a phagocytosis. Amoeba's digestion is actually intracellular or a vacuolar digestion, because amoeba digests its food in the vacuole. Now I am showing you the diagrammatic explanation of this nutrition. See, फर्स्टली एक मैंने डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है सिंपली, जिसमें मैंने अमीबा का सीडोपोडिया मेंशन किया है. सीडोपोडिया क्या है? सीडोपोडिया इज अ फॉल्स फुट ऑफ अमीबा. जस्ट ये उसका सरफेस का एक एक्सटेंशन है. अमीबा all time engulf it food particle with the help of the pseudopodia. You know, when the food particle come close to the amoeba, the finger like extension of the cell surface fuse over the food and finally develops it a food vacuole within the cytoplasm and engulf the food particle. Now in the third figure, where when the food vacuole forms and the food particle is in the now food vacuole, तो उस दौरान जो enzymes हैं, enzymes which is released by the amoeba to the food vacuole by for the digestion of the food present inside the vacuole, और वहाँ पर जो food है वो उस दौरान digest होगा. अब जब डाइजेशन होगी तो डाइजेशन इंट्रासेलुलर होगी और डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम जो है वो फूड वैक्यूल में साइटोप्लाज्म के थ्रू सिक्रीट किए जाएंगे, जिस दौरान वो कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड पार्टिकल सिंपल में कन्वर्ट किया जाएगा. आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई मेंशन द अब्जॉर्प्शन इन अ डायग्राम in which the whole food is digested now, and जो digested food present in the food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm of the cell with the process of diffusion. You know, amoeba has no blood system to carry the digested food. So digested food spreads out from the food vacuole into the cytoplasm of the amoeba. And you know, when the absorption of the food takes place, slowly the food vacuole shrinks and disappears, as you will see in the next figure. In the second last figure, the process of assimilation will take place. What do you mean by the process of assimilation? Means the absorbed food is used to obtain energy through the process of respiration and other metabolic activities which led to the growth of the amoeba. यानी कि उस दौरान उसका जो ग्रोथ होगा, अमीबा की बॉडी का साइज हो सकता है कि उसका साइज डेवलप हो जाए, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाए, एंड afterwards there will be a last process, last step, that is the egestion. Egestion means कि जो undigested food particle कुछ अंदर बच गया है, बिकॉज अमीबा के पास कोई एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन नहीं है egestion के लिए कि उसका फूड पार्टिकल अनडाइजेस्टेड बॉडी से ह्यूमंस की तरह रिमूव किया जा सके. अमीबा हैज ओनली ऑप्शन ऑफ द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. So slowly its cell membrane ruptures at any place and undigested food particle moves out or thrown out from the body of the amoeba. That is the whole process of the nutrition. I hope you all understand the process of nutrition.